And thanks to our friends who were nice enough to send us these Apple Watch bands. Nothing to really show you around the box. We're just gonna open them up and take a look at them here. So just slide our top off and paper, nothing else in here. This one is like a almost army green band. Nice Velcro strap, so it's nice and easy to put on. They do have their little logo or name there, and they have their logo on that little orange piece. That's on all of their wristbands. I think it looks nice. Of course, to take off your other wristband, you have your little button right here. Just press and hold it, and you're able to slide out your old wristband, and then you're able to easily slide on. You'll hear the click. There was your new wristband. So when you slide this on, nice and easy, and now you have this army green Velcro band that should be a lot more secure for your Apple Watch, where you don't got to worry about losing it. So that'll essentially do it for this army green Apple Watch band. And special thanks to our friends who were nice enough to send us these Apple Watch wristbands. Let's open them up and take a look at them. Slide the top off, and it's just plastic. And there's your band, nothing else in that. And so also have a little company logo there. This one, nice Velcro band. And so of course, to take off your band, you just hit your little button on the bottom and slide off your band, and then you're able to easily slide on your new one, and you'll kind of hear it click. Let's hear that? Hear that little click? That's how you know it's actually in there. I can do it again. There you go. That little click you hear is the band being in. This is a black band and just has this little orange logo on it, but nice and easy to put on with the Velcro, and a lot more secure, I feel, than other Apple bands. I also like this little design. It doesn't necessarily do anything. It's just, it looks really nice. And special thanks to our friends who were nice enough to send us these Apple Watch bands. Let's open them up and take a look at this band. So very, very nice band. Has a nice Velcro strap, makes it nice and easy to put on your Apple Watch. So of course, to replace your band, you just have your little release button here on the bottom. Press that to slide out your old band. Your new band is easily able to slide and lock right into place. Bingo. You hear the little clip, and now, nothing else for that. I have, look, they put their little logo there. A nice and easy way to put on my Apple Watch. Nice Velcro, simple and easy. That'll essentially do it for this Apple Watch band. Thanks again to them who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.